This implementation video will discuss the creation phase of integers and graphs through the lens of brain and mind in learning. And we will be following our syllabus, week 5, day 3. Students will have an opportunity to get creative with the skills they have acquired before moving on to their social emotional learning, or SEL module. The first activity will be to watch this adding and subtracting integers video from YouTube. The link will be in our materials section, and they will learn how to add and subtract integers with integer counters or integer chips. And then students will have an opportunity to create their very own integer chips and use them to solve integer problems. They will do this in a small group setting where they'll have an opportunity to talk with their classmates, their peers, before coming back to the whole group setting where we will go over the answers to the problems that they solved and talk about how integer chips helped them or didn't help them and what they like better so far, the chips or the rules. The next activity will be for the students to watch this number line adding and subtracting on the number line video from YouTube. Again, this will be linked in our materials section. And then they will have an opportunity to create a number line and utilize it to solve the integer problems. Again, they will do this in a small group where they will be able to work with their peers and talk through any issues they have before coming back to the whole group and talking about the answers to the questions they solved and discussing which way they like to solve integers better, the number line, the chips, or the rules. And this will give them an opportunity to really play with positive and negative numbers and get them engaged in learning this concept. The next activity will allow students to create graphs, and they will create a line graph that shows the high and low temperatures for a European city. This dovetails with the assignment from the last class where they learned about positive and negative numbers and charts and graphs in the realm of meteorology. Students will have an opportunity to explore high and low temperatures for a variety of European cities before they choose a city and actually graph those high and low temperatures utilizing technology, utilizing Excel. And this worksheet walks them through how to do that. And when they are done, the finished product should look something like this. The students will come together again as a whole group to discuss this project, how they felt about it, the benefits, any issues they ran into before they move on to their SEL module with their SEL coach.